Hello everyone, this is assignment 1 for database systems class, and we had seven tasks here, and now I suggest we quickly run over the solutions and see what we have here. So the first task here, it says get all the orders that had been cancelled or has had issues that have been resolved. So for that we select naturally all the columns from orders table and put a condition via where clause saying that uh, all that status is cancelled or it's resolved. Now, if we run this query, we can say that we can see that we have here a status column that has either cancelled or resolved values, and we have all the other columns of the order table here as well, which is simply what we had to do. Now we let's move on to the second task. The second task says get the list of all employees and display only their first and last names. Also order them by alphabetical order of their full name. Use string concatenation to display full name and first name plus space plus the last name. For that, we select from employees table and select the last name column, first name column, and create a new column called full name, which is simply a concatenation of what we just said previously. The first name, space character, and last name. And also we order it by full name that we just made. Now, if we run the query, we'll see a table consisting from last name, first name, and full name uh, columns, and also which are ordered via alphabetical order of uh, full names. Uh, Andy, Anthony, Barry, Diane, like it all goes by ordering the first names, but also if we have two Andys, it will start ordering by the last name as well. This was task 2. Now let's move on to the task 3, which says list each customer number with their total sum of payments. So for that, we go to the payments table and simply select customer number, and we use a function, aggregate function, which sums all the amount of the payments grouped by customer number. So simply we sum all the payment amounts of a customer with a certain customer number and present it as a column called total payments. Now, if we run the query, we'll see what we're just talking about: customer numbers and their total payments here. And this was the third task, as simple as that. Now let's move on to the fourth task, which says get all the products that include Porsche substring in their product name. For that, we logically choose from products table, select everything, and we just simply put a condition where product name is like something Porsche and something. These somethings are denoted by percent sign, which returns us what exactly we want. Hmm? Here are Porsches, all the Porsches, and their line, sales, vendors, descriptions, and other stuff. Now the task 5, the fifth task, which asks us to get the number of employees working in each city, given that city names can be repeated in the world, and we also assume that we can have such a situation in our tables database. Um, and and yeah, that's it. So for that, we choose from two tables, employees and offices tables, and we denote them by E and O for short. We select the name of the country, name of the city for convenience, and also we count every uh, any row, every rows, uh, grouping by country and city. uh, this double grouping allows us to differentiate between the cities of the same name, which are in different countries. And we also put here a condition of equation of office codes of two tables uh, in order to guarantee our Cartesian product of these tables. Okay, so now if we run this query, we hopefully get all the number of employees in each city of each country. Okay, now here we have San Francisco, Boston, New York City, Paris, Tokyo, Sydney, and London. Now the next task, which is second last task, it asks us to determine if there's any products that have not been ordered yet, which means that they don't have any order details by using comparison. So this means that we have some products that uh, have an information in a product table, but have nothing written about any order details. For that, we simply take product codes from products and product codes from order details to databases, and and we subtract all the product codes that are in order details that are also in products from the list of the product codes from products. And we here simply select all the product codes that are in that extraction. Now, if we run this query, we'll see that we have only Toyota Supra, which doesn't have any mm, product code in order details table. Accordingly, it doesn't have any other information there. And the last task here, it asks us to write a query that returns a total quantity of products ordered for each country per product, and we want our result to have the following columns: country, product code, product name, and total ordered. So here are those columns. As we see, uh, we select from products table and order details table, also from orders and customers, because uh, only in customers table you can see any information about country of the order and the product accordingly. So we have to go, from products to customers through order details and orders tables. So in this selection we select country from customers table, as we said previously, and product code and product name from products table, and also we have the quantity of ordered the ordered cases of that product, which we want to sum up for each product. And to do that, we use some aggregate fun- function. We group by mm, close functionality, where we group by each country in customers table, and by each product code in products table. This allows us for to count a quantity ordered for each product in each country. So even if we have same products but in different country, it will count for two rows uh, for for their quantity, for their ordered quantities. And also we have here where part, where we simply guarantee the equation part of Cartesian product. Yeah, Cartesian product. Here we uh, use Cartesian product of from P to order details, here from order details to order number, and from order details from orders, sorry, and in this third or last one, from orders to customer number. This from order to customers, which allows us to set connection from products to customers. Now, if we run this chunk of this query, we'll see country, product code, product name, and total ordered quantity as requested for each product. In our case, for each car. So this was the homework, the first assignment, homework one for database system class. If you are willing to see other videos describing the other homeworks, stay tuned, hit the subscribe buttons, write comments, and hit the likes, of course.